Anudinam idam adarena srinvan pitu charitam prathayan vimukta sangha bhagavati bhavasindu potopade sacha nipunam lavete ratim manasya. Translation: whoever with great reverence and adoration regularly reads, chants and describes the history of Prithu Maharaja's activities will certainly increase unflinching faith and attraction for the lotus feet of the Lord. The Lord's lotus feet are the boat by which one can cross the ocean of nescience. So we are hearing the life of Maharaj Prithu for so many days, starting from this 4th canto, chapter 14, King Benos' appearance. The King Benos, then Prithu Maharaja's appearance, and today is the chapter 23, the last verse. That means chapter 14 to 23, 10 chapters, and more than 400 verses. It's a big chapter, big part of the Srimad Bhagavatam after Krishna Lila. So more than 1 year we are hearing the glories of Prithu Maharaj. So today in this verse we can see there is the first line is saying Anudinam idam adarena srinvan. The result, the second part of the verse is saying the result of Shruti fall. Shruti, by hearing, the result of hearing and how to hear. The first part of this verse is saying how to hear the glories of Prithu Maharaj or glories of Krishna. So the first part of this verse is saying Anudidam idam adorena srinvan. How to hear? With great respect, with great care. Then only the second part will appear in our life. What is the second part of the verse? Bhagavati bhavasindu potopate. And the disease of material disease, the material association, the attachment of the material world will be finished. That is called Vimukta Sangha. You see the second line, last word, Vimukta Sangha. One will be free from the material attachment. And then what will happen? Bhagavati bhavasindu potopade sacha nibunam lavote ratim manusya. The attraction to the lotus feet of the Lord will appear. And when one will hear the glories of Prithu Maharaj, he will automatically, naturally will take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. And that lotus feet of the Lord is called Bhavasindu Poto. Poto is called board. Board. Like Padapallavam, Sumaschita Padapallavam, Mahat Padam Punno Sumaschito Je Padapallavam Plavam, Mahat Padam Punno Jasumurare, Bhava Ambhadir Vatsya Padam Param Padam, Padam Padam Jad Vipadam Natesam. Who has taken shelter of that board, this material ocean of nescience, for him will be like a footprint of a corpse footprint, very small for this material ocean for him to cross. So he can easily cross, or he already crossed this material ocean by taking shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. So this verse, the first part, we will go through one by one. This Adorena Srinvan. See, we are hearing, but if we have no respect, no care, then the result we will not get. The real result of this verse like the attraction, the rotim or motim to the Lord will not be achieved. So therefore we have to hear carefully. Adoreno, ador. Dor means also fear. So without fear there is no respect. So therefore we should hear very, very carefully. If we consider ourselves, oh no, now I am advanced devotee, I no need to go to class, no need to hear, I can just live like this, easygoing life, then that's it, it's gone. So we should hear very carefully, just like Nittam, every day we chant the Guru Puja, that Bandemui Shabdhanamate. Shabdhanamate means with very carefully. We should serve Guru, or we should associate with the devotees and hear from them very carefully. There is a story of 4 kind of hearer, listener. One person went to the big bazaar to buy dolls for his kids, and he found there is 4 dolls. You know the story. To understand the 4 categories of listeners. He asks, what is the cost of these dolls? So the person saying that this doll is 25 rupees, this is 50 rupees, this is 75 rupees, and this is 100 rupees. Then he took the 4th doll, 4th number doll, and he was checking. It's all same, look like all same. What's the difference between, why this is 25 and why that one is 100? Then that man took the doll and put on rope, or on rope inside, and it's not going, it is blocked, the ear is blocked. That is 25 rupees doll, 4th number doll. Nothing is going inside, ear is blocked. And that's the 3rd number doll he took, and the rope is going from this side to this side, coming out from that side. That is 50 rupees doll. And the another doll is 75 rupees. That doll, the rope from ear coming out from mouth. And that 4th number, that 1st number doll, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd, then the 1st number doll. The rope going inside, not coming out from the mouth, not coming out from another ear. The rope is going inside. That is the first class listener actually. So we are hearing, but the ear is blocked. Nothing going inside. And the 3rd class hearer, they hearing, but they forget. When going outside of class, or going to the room, or after prasadam, everything is gone. From this ear to this ear, iskan to iskan, is gone. And that 2nd class hearer, they hear and they speak. But they are not practicing. They are not practicing in life. And that 1st class hearer, they hear, they receive, they practice in the life. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction is, अपनी आचारी धर्म जीवेरे शिखाए, अपनी ना कोइले धर्म शिखानो ना जाए. If you want to teach the pure devotional service of the Lord, then you have to practice first. Then only by your example, others will follow. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came, Lord Krishna came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and teaches